Hey eBay and Mercari. Today I'm showing you Candyland, the Great Lollipop Adventure. Play a sound interactive storybook. This is from the early 2000s. Is a storybook about the Candyland board game. We have various sounds that can be played here. I think I remember all of these working. We'll see. We'll test them all out here. Yeah, so all the buttons work well. I did not replace the batteries in this, but the batteries are just working. So I can't guarantee you how long they're going to work, but for now they work. And there is a screw you can get to them. They're probably some kind of watch cell battery. Usually that's what these are. As far as the physical condition goes, it is in, I would say, good condition. It does have a few issues. You know, it's almost 20 years old. We have a few little rips down here towards the spine. Some of the pages have a few little wrinkles. The middle there. Nothing too major. No like pages ripped out or ripped in half or anything. And then when you get to the end of the story, there's actually a little Candyland game in the book. Kind of neat. Yeah, I'd say that the cover, the outside cover, same type of condition as the pages, just a few little issues. Little, whatever you want to call it, ripped hair right there. Overall pretty clean, a few little wrinkles, but not too bad. And working, that's kind of the most important part. So I think that is all I had to say about that. Thanks for looking, guys.